Okay, I am going to show you how I put the tea bags on with rice glue. Real fast. Just because I can. All right. This isn't my ordinary workspace. I'm not in the living room right now. This is rice glue. In here. And this is just an extra pie, so I don't drip. And what I do, I usually put it over here. Okay, there. I just don't want to shade it. I'll put it over here. Okay, so, no. Get my glue. And then I slop it on. Slop it where there's some words. So, not really think of anything. I thought, oh, that looks compositionally, I liked it there. But you know what? Let's cover up the words. And we'll put those down. This is the joy of rice glue. It's like Mod Podge. Okay. Put it on and slop it down and let her go. Not pretty? It's very wet. You know what? I don't like that. It's also repositionable. I don't like that double thing there, so I'm going to stick that there. And just because I can, I'm going to overlap them. There. Because they're transparent. And none of that was planned, and it's not supposed to be. So that's how these things are made. Just slopping them in. Want to see how I put this stuff down? Same way. I have a weak spot anywhere. Swoop one across so it runs off the edge. Well, see, I'm doing what you're not supposed to do, which is think too much. Well, I just want to put it in to show you how you can add the fabric in so easily, too. Same way. Put it on your paper. Yeah, it's getting wrinkly. Don't worry about it. When we dry it on this nice plastic background, if it's wet enough, it'll just stick to the background and works like stretching watercolor paper. It'll be flat when it dries. And if not, you just put it in some books. Weight it down. Isn't that pretty? Simple, simple. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment, ask me a question. Thank you.